Vlog 32, how we keep things tight and right while we're on the go.
I'm here with Christina with Revoke, and I'm glad you're with us today because this is going to be some really good stuff.
Doing great.
So this is the journey of a realtor in this crazy market on how to prepare your day when you have time. Now, a lot of agents say they don't have time, but some of us do have some time. So if you have a little bit of extra time to prepare your meals for the day when you're on the go, this is going to be a killer little setup that is very satisfying. I weigh about 250 pounds. The stuff that we're talking about today does satisfy me when I'm on the go. So please pay attention and get a pen and paper out, okay? Right. So Christina's gonna talk now. So tell me a little bit about what's the best do's and don'ts here when you're preparing meals?
Right, absolutely. So we talk about things that are nutrient dense versus caloric density. Now, the things that you may have in your fridge that are quick and on the go may not be as nutrient dense, which is the reason we have all these amazing foods right here that we can kind of throw together in order for you to feel energized, right? We want a diet that's gonna fuel you and make you feel good. So we've got things that are easy to prepare, that you can take with you, and then also are gonna set you up for success. So
tell me about this wrap. Tell me what's the ingredients, how easy is this to really make?
Absolutely. So we've got our tortillas, right? Source of carbs. We've got lettuce, source of carbs. And then we want, right, protein and fats. So we've got our cheese, right? Will give us a little bit of fat as well, as this chicken is gonna give you more of the protein source. So we've got all three of our macronutrients and we're gonna throw them together, something easy, quick, and something that's not too messy when you're with your clients or you're in the car and you wanna eat.
Now I will tell you, okay, this is a little trick of mine. If I have clients in my vehicle and we pull up to a house, I always do the old, all right guys, go ahead, let's check out the front yard and stuff. I'm gonna go try to find the lockbox. So I'm a little slower to get out of the vehicle. What I'll do is I will grab something and I will eat it as I go find the lockbox. Okay, that's phase one, okay? And I always bring a little something to drink so I don't choke, okay? So that's how you do that. I never eat in front of my client as I'm driving, okay? That's a big no-no.
Right, absolutely. So this is gonna allow you to have something quick, maybe on the side while you're distracting your clients. And then something that you can actually get through your day without feeling depleted.
Cool. So the apple, is this just something where you can eat a little bit of the wrap, an apple?
Yeah, absolutely. So you want to be prepared. You want to have your lunchbox with something that'll keep it cool, especially if you're gone all day long. But once you prepare the wrap at home, again, this is going to take less than 10 minutes to truly prepare. Cheap ingredients at the store. You will put it in your little container, right? Put it in your lunchbox, and then also have things like apples, something that's easy, quick, grab and go. It's going to be more of a full meal for you instead of a snack.
Here's another little tip for you people that are like, I hate eating brown apples after they're cut, okay? Because my kids used to be like, I hate brown apples, because they get weird after a while. Put lemon juice on your apple.
There you go.
It'll make it look just as if though you just cut it. And plus it has a nice little sweet taste to it.
Right, I love that.
Tip of the day.
Yeah, wow, he's teaching me things. So this is good.
So I know that there's small wraps, big wraps, bigger wraps, multi-grain, some of them are crazy with carbs. Sometimes I've looked on the back and I'm like, oh my God, that's 50, 60 carbs. What's the best one? I know they always say moderation, but is there any particular one that's better than the other?
So I don't necessarily pick one over the other based on, I've heard that multigrain's better than enriched flour. Yes, there's gonna be more nutrients in a multi-grain tortilla than not, but if you flip up on the back, I'm looking at the same amount of protein, same amount of fat, relatively, and then you've got more carbs in this one, okay? Carbs are not bad, carbs will fuel you, but as far as if it's the same size and you're comparing the two, and hey, you're doing good on carbs today, doesn't matter which one you wanna pick. It's more so the size and then portion control.